How an INFP acts when they like someone. INFP individuals may exhibit unique behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Deep emotional connection. INFPs value deep emotional connections, and when they like someone, they may seek to establish a profound and meaningful bond by sharing their innermost thoughts and feelings. Idealistic expressions. Known for their idealistic nature, INFPs may express their romantic feelings through poetic language, creative writing, or other forms of artistic expression that reflect their dreams and visions. Empathetic listening. INFPs are empathetic listeners, and when they like someone, they may show a heightened level of attentiveness, listening with genuine interest and offering emotional support. Admiration from afar. INFPs may initially admire someone from a distance, observing and appreciating their qualities, before taking steps to approach or express their feelings. Creativity and thoughtfulness. INFPs often express their affection through creative and thoughtful gestures, such as writing personalized notes, creating art, or planning unique and sentimental surprises. Respect for individuality. INFPs highly value individuality, and when they like someone, they respect and celebrate the unique qualities of that person, fostering an environment where authenticity is appreciated. Intuitive understanding. INFPs have a natural intuitive understanding of emotions, and when they like someone, they may intuitively sense the needs and desires of the person without explicit communication. How to make an INFP like you. Deep conversations. Engage in deep, meaningful conversations. INFPs appreciate partners who are willing to explore profound and philosophical topics. Appreciate creativity. Acknowledge and appreciate their creative expressions. INFPs often use art and writing to convey their emotions, and recognizing this can strengthen your connection. Empathetic communication. Practice empathetic communication. INFPs value partners who can listen with empathy and offer emotional support when needed. Respect their space. INFPs appreciate their personal space and may need time alone to recharge. Respect their need for solitude and give them the space they require. Share personal dreams. Share your personal dreams and aspiration. INFPs are attracted to partners who have a sense of purpose and share a vision for a meaningful life. Value authenticity. Be authentic and genuine in your interactions. INFPs appreciate partners who are true to themselves and who encourage an atmosphere of authenticity. Celebrate individuality. Celebrate and appreciate each other's individuality. INFPs are drawn to partners who embrace and value the unique qualities that make each person special. In summary, connecting with an INFP involves engaging in deep conversations, appreciating creativity, practicing empathetic communication, respecting personal space, sharing personal dreams, valuing authenticity, and celebrating individuality.